Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Thursday, October 10th, 2019. Looking at homework for this evening. In math, we've got practice 2.4. Honors has practice 2.6. This will be the last math homework that we have specifically that is due this week. In science, we've got a Google form called Chemical or Physical. In social studies, we're doing the second part of our Venn diagram. Yesterday was the democracy. Today we are looking at the monarchy. Once you have completed this diagram in your Google slide, you need to go through and turn it in. Another assignment that is also due tomorrow is our citizen of my home. That is due tomorrow. We've had that assignment for an entire week. Remember, you are to do something at your house that is something out of the ordinary, something for your family that you don't traditionally do, and then write a reflection answering the questions on how you felt about that. In language arts, you can work on your paragraph planner. That is homework tonight if you would like, but it doesn't have to be. It's just due by the end of your language arts class tomorrow. So maybe if you got a lot done in class today, you could work on it tonight and have it done and turned in, or if you don't want to, you do know that you have class tomorrow. In literature, we need to read 30 to 45 minutes, and our AR goal is due tomorrow. Also remember to wear blue tomorrow. Wear Ontario Warrior gear. We've got our pep rally for an hour tomorrow afternoon. In Careers in Life, second period, make sure that your notes match Mrs. Music's and turn them in on Google Classroom. For FCS 6, you need to bring your headphones every single day. That's it for this Thursday. Everyone have a great evening.